Galaxy Unmanned Systems demonstrates the use of the Android Team Awareness Kit, or ATAK system, in conjunction with the GCF-550 uncrewed aerial system and custom fabricated GCS. ATAK is a powerful geospatial and situational awareness tool that enhances coordination and operational effectiveness for military, law enforcement, and disaster response teams. For our first test, we utilized ATAK to control and monitor a loitering drone, with live feeds displayed on 2 phones and 1 tablet. This setup allowed multiple team members to access real-time information simultaneously, ensuring a cohesive and efficient operation. With ATAK, team members could watch live feeds from the drone's camera directly on their devices. This real-time video streaming is crucial for immediate situational awareness, enabling us to make informed decisions on the fly. ATAK's geospatial capabilities provided a clear visual representation of the drone's location and flight path. The map interface allowed us to track the drone's movements accurately and plan our operations more effectively. Here are 2 use case scenarios currently being utilized in the United States.
We found that by the time this intelligence was shared, it was often old news, or like I said, it was too difficult to comprehend over voice, and ultimately UAS ops just kind of were kind of disregarded or thought of as like, like a hindrance or a burden. But once we blended them together, I can say that, it brought that life-saving, game-changing awareness to our forces. Our boots on the ground and at the incident command had a new level of intelligence available to them that pretty much was only seen in movies at the time. We can kind of break it down. So we had like our precision and tactical operations. We were able now to share tactical markers, routes, or points of interest. We were able to set them in ATAK based on live footage from the UAS. This gave us precise targeting or identification of areas of concern.
A broad number of different agencies have deployed to Texas to provide rescue and security operations. Going in, many of those agencies could not talk to each other, had no awareness of where their mutual forces were.
ATAK has helped to save countless lives during the flooding and devastation of Hurricane Harvey, and it has also given the first responders a platform to share information that is real-time and necessary for them to perform their duties.
Our guys will set position down this corridor right here on the black side of the building and wait for you guys to infill on birds.
We'll go to the half will go out to the south and we'll put it over.
One of the key benefits of ATAK is its ability to enhance team coordination. By sharing the same operational picture, all team members were on the same page, reducing miscommunication and increasing our overall efficiency. ATAK also facilitated seamless data sharing and communication. We could easily share images, video clips, and other critical information between devices, ensuring everyone had access to the latest updates. The ability to control and monitor the drone through ATAK's platform demonstrated its potential to integrate with existing ground command centers and uncrewed aerial systems. Looking forward, Galaxy Unmanned Systems is adding ATAK to the operational capabilities of our airships to enhance communication and efficiency for disaster relief, wildfire containment, military, and law enforcement operations. For more information about ATAK integration and our ongoing projects, please visit our website at www.galaxyuas.com.